Hi everyone, today we're making delicious Taiwanese fried XXL chicken. This is a popular street snack in Taiwan, the night markets, as well as all over Asia. Good news is that it can be made at home with ease. Yes, you found the copycat recipe right here on Recipes Are Simple. It's the double dipping of wet and dry batter that makes them so perfectly yummy. If you love fried chicken, you have to try out Taiwanese XXL fried chicken. It's so delicious and different and so easy to make. So let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm using 600 grams of chicken breast. I'm working with the first 300 gram piece here, a whole chicken breast like this, which is boneless. And then we're going to put it inside a Ziploc bag or a kitchen food safe bag like this. And we're going to pound it using a kitchen mallet. When you're pounding, you want to pound swiftly and evenly with a medium force. You don't want to pound them so hard that the chicken breaks apart into pieces. You want to keep the piece one single piece like this, and flatten it as much as possible. So that's 2 portions of 300 gram chicken breast, 600 grams in total. This is enough for 4 to 5 servings. Okay, so now we're going to marinate the chicken. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and also 4 tablespoons of some kind of liquid meat tenderizer. If you're used to using Shaoxing Chinese cooking wine, you can use that, or you can use a papaya-based liquid meat tenderizer instead. We're also going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice powder. Add 1 teaspoon if you like a milder flavor, and 2 teaspoons if you like more of that spice flavor. And next we're going to add 2 large cloves of garlic that has been minced nicely like this. And we're going to marinate this. Now you want to set aside the marinated chicken for at least 1 hour. When you're ready to fry the chicken, we're going to prepare our first batter to dip the chicken in. This consists of half a cup of glutinous rice flour, and you're just going to add just enough water to make it the consistency of thick buttermilk. To this, add salt to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon, and you want to mix this well and then add it to the chicken that has been marinating for 1 hour. Mix this well and set it aside for another 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, we're going to add the dry flour mix, which consists of 2 cups of sweet potato flour. That's what gives it the delicious crispy texture. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and then just mix it really thoroughly. Now you want to have oil on the stove heating up for deep frying. Use a wide wok or wide frying pan to fry these large pieces of chicken. So we're going to remove the chicken from the wet batter, and then we're going to dredge them in the flour mix thoroughly. You want to make sure all those little cracks get coated with flour. You can keep checking and just dip it until it's completely coated. And then shake off excess flour. Make sure your oil is nice and hot to begin with, but once you've placed your chicken inside, you want to fry on a moderate heat. So for the first side, just over a minute on the same maintained moderate heat. And then we can turn it over. So since sweet potato starch is used, the chicken will have a nice light golden brown crust. It won't turn dark golden. And on the second side, we're going to continue cooking for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you might need to flip it over a couple of times to get it evenly colored. So continue like that for just about another 3 minutes. So in about 6 minutes, our chicken should be done. What's so fantastic about Taiwanese XXL fried chicken is the super crunchy, crispy outer coating, which consists of the sweet potato starch. And the inside is like glutinous and kind of gelatinous because we're using the glutinous rice flour batter. So the combination together keeps the chicken nice and insulated so that the chicken is still moist and tender and not dried out in the least, but the outside is so crisp and crunchy. It's absolutely fabulous. The texture is just wonderful. So just drain these on kitchen paper towel. We fried the second set of XXL chicken as well. And when it's time to serve, you just want to cut in strips. You can see the texture, how crispy and crunchy it is on the outside, but on the inside you have that glutinous rice flour layer, and that's what makes it so yummy. Both of these textures together is quite unique and awesome. So you want to cut them into strips and little chunks, and then you can serve them with a small barbecue skewer. And before that, you want to sprinkle some spices on top while they're still nice and hot. You can use paprika or mild chili powder, and you can also add a little bit of pepper if you like. So give it a go. Try this recipe for Taiwanese XXL fried chicken. I'm sure you'll love it. If you try the recipe, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. You can also take a picture and share it with me on any one of my social media links, or you can email me as well. I hope you liked the quick video recipe. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye!